I think chairs are awesome because it's a dying art. A lot of woodworkers don't even make them. And for some woodworkers that want to get into that, it can take them years to kind of finalize a design that they like.
So is that like a special glue?
It's epoxy.
Why don't you just use like Elmer's?
It like swells up the joints, so it makes it super tight to put everything together. And also, like, we've had failure on chairs with that kind of glue. This is a fillet silica, is what it is. It helps it to not be as runny.
It smells nice.
Smell-o-vision.
How long does it take for it to dry?
8 hours. This stuff doesn't dry, it cures, whereas the wood glue is drying. It's different product. But since this is a critical part of the chair, all the joinery, the last thing we want is a bunch of glue joints failing, you know?
Like a kid falling down because his chair collapses.
Yeah, that could be the case. That would not be good, huh? Okay. Let's do this, huh? So we are going to... We're going to do this first, and then we're going to grab... What were we doing? Oh yeah, that's right. Like this, that's right. These are going to go here. So we need to glue up first. We'll do these guys first.
So how many total pieces is there per chair?
12 pieces total. Not a super complicated chair.
So that's what it will look like when it's all completed. How was it figuring out how to be able to stack them?
Very simple. We've done that chair a ton of times already. And so if you notice, it's all the same geometry. That chair and this chair, like, that's all the same geometry. all we did was we made that back apron on that chair. This back apron is 3/4 thick, and so we made this part thicker to carry, so the side apron comes in on this back, which allows, if you notice, like on that chair up there, this side apron lands into this shoulder right here. That side apron does, but on this one we took it in to allow us that room. So
How high do they want to stack them?
I think we're gonna do 15 tall. That's the goal. 15 tall is gonna be, we have to make some carts that help keep it at an angle, because 15 tall will come out like 4.5 feet. So the top of that stack will be like out to here. So if we tilt this back, we did some math on it. If we tilt it back by like, I think it's like 22 degrees or something. If we tilt it back by like 22 degrees, we can get it to almost stack up right. So I think we have a couple carts in our future that we need to build for these to move them around.
One more thing to build.
Yeah.